Hi students, today we are going to discuss electrostatic shielding. What is electrostatic shielding? The phenomenon of making a region free from electric field is called as electrostatic shielding. That means we are creating a region, in that region electric field is zero, then creating such region is called as electrostatic shielding. Right? How to create this electrostatic shielding? For this, in this diagram you see there is a metal conductor, and for the metal conductor we know that the charge will resides only on the surface. This side the charge is at here and this side charge is at here. Charge resides only on the surface, and here we are taking a metal conductor. This is a metal conductor with a cavity at the center. Cavity means some hole is there at the center. Now when we charge this one, at that moment charge resides only on the surface. Due to that, inside the cavity and inside the conductor the charge is zero, that's why electric field is also zero. And here there is some space and some hole in the metal conductor. In that hole the electric field is zero, right? And that's why this region is protected from the electric field because it is electric field is zero. Okay, that's why this charged conductor with cavity or with hole with halo at the center, that is called as, that is act as electrostatic shielding. And what is the application of electrostatic shielding? And let us see. In thunderstorm accompanied by lightning, it is safest to sit inside the car rather than near a tree or on the open ground, because the metal body of car act as electrostatic shielding from the lightning. Oh, here what we are telling it here, in the thunderstorm, in the rainy season, and it is better to stay inside the car instead of standing on the open place and instead of standing under the tree. And why it is better to stay inside the car? Because the car is a metal body and that act like a electrostatic shielding. If any charge comes from the clouds, that charge will resides only on the surface. It cannot enter into the car, because the car act like a shielding, and inside the car electric field is zero. That's why all the members, those who are inside the car, they are protected from the thunderstorm. And one more application is that the sensitive components, they are protected from the electric field by placing that sensitive components inside the metal object. Okay, when we place inside the metal object metal shield, at that moment inside the metal shield electric field is zero. That's why the sensitive components are protected from electric field. Even if that metal body is charged, then that charge will resides only on the surface. That's why inside electric field is zero. That means even after supplying the power supply and some current and some charge, also that charge will resides only on the surface. Due to that, inside the metal body, metal object, the charge is zero. That's why electric field is zero, and all the equipment or apparatus or any sensitive elements which are placed inside the conductor, in the cavity of conductor, they are protected from electric field. Like this, electrostatic shielding is helpful. Thank you for watching my lecture. Have a nice day, and share my channel, subscribe my channel, comment in your